So I'm making this video on replacing the door actuator on the rear door of my 1997 Chevy Astro van. I got rear-ended a while back and they totaled my van, but all it really needed was a bumper and a rear door, so I went to pick and pull and got a rear door and had the body shop put it on and paint it. Unfortunately, the new door, the actuator doesn't work, but the old door did. But the old door is gone, so not much I can do about that. So I got one of these from Rock Auto. It looks a little cheap compared to the old one, but hey, it had the little I love it sign on it, so it's the most popular one they got, so that's the one I got, and it was the cheapest one too. So basically all you need to do, it looks like, is remove these rivets and then just take it out and replace it. So I'm going to get going on that, and I'll show you how to remove the rivet. So I drilled out the bottom one. It says to use a 3/16 bit, and that wasn't really cutting it. So I tried a 13/64, and that wasn't really doing it. I got a lot of 1/4-inch bits, and that really did a good job. So I got it to the point where the whole thing fittings, which means we're to the point where we can break it off. So now I'm going to do the top one. Starting off slowly really helps not making it wander too far off. You really need a brand new paint job. It's a work truck, so it's not really that big of a deal inside the door, but still. this to this. All right, boys and girls, I went and grabbed my rivet gun, which is not big enough for this project, damn it. So, then I thought, quarter 20s, fits, nylon nut, because you don't want it backing out, and it'd really be hard to get Loctite back there. But I thought better of that, and went ahead and went down to Harbor Freight and got a good rivet gun. Now I also have some different kinds of 1/4 inch rivets. This one and this one. They are a bit different. They have some splines on one of them and the other one doesn't. And this one has a different kind of head. And just because I'm curious, I wanted to make sure, I tested them on a sample piece of metal. You'll notice that this is the one that has the ridges and the conish head. This is the one without the ridges and the round head. I think we're going to use the one without the ridges. Because I really believe that that's going to be a bit sturdier over the long run than this. This might just loosen up after years and years, probably long after I'm gone, but I'm not going to deal with it. So I'm sure this will be the last time, or the only time this thing ever gets replaced. So we're not going to do that. I mean, we're not going to use that one, we're going to use this one. So basically, what I'm going to end up doing here is putting it in, and this metal bar, the middle one, is the one that connects into this hole. If I get back, I know that's kind of a redneck kind of way to lubricate things, but hey, it works. There you go. As long as you don't bend the bar, which I'm sure I didn't, there you go. Just line those up like that. So what we're trying to do here is get this bar with this, it's angled, and trying to get it through this rubber piece in there. That's what is going to be the difficult part. What I ended up doing was actually pushing it up against the back wall and using the back wall as a, you know, as a way to hold it in place and slide it on there. So on second thought, I don't know if this will work for you or not, but if you rivet the darn thing in place before you put the bar in, you might have a little bit better luck. I don't know. It was kind of a hassle when I did it, and I did it both times with the unit flopping around. But you have to be really careful. Don't break it. All right. Now that we've got it all on there, just line it up. That one. Just to make sure we don't lose place. There you go. hold the mechanism in place. One. Second go much easier. Just we didn't need to do any more. And there we go. Last but not least, connect it. Flashlight to make life easier. There. Flashlight. Now I can see what the hell I'm doing. How about that? Just like we knew what we were doing. And you don't even do it. You know. I think you can figure out how to put the plate on. I took it off, right? You had to get to this point. It's obviously a work van, so I don't have any way to tell you how to get the thing off the back. Mine's a plate. You can see from there with the grill is going to go in this window as well. All right. Take care. Off to the next video.